What's going on, everybody? Now, my apologies for the audio if the audio don't turn out right, but I don't have my mic. Anyways, I am looking for flooring, so if you are in Maryland, Glen Burnie area, there's this wholesale like flooring place. It's called WFP, and here you go. We are going to check it out. Instead of going to Lowe's and Home Depot, we're going to check and see what they got out in here. All right, you guys, they got engineered hardwood, regular hardwood, then they got laminate. Here's what I'm talking about. Look at how thick this is. This is insanely thick. Insane. 12 millimeter thick. 20 mil wear layer. At $3 a square foot, $3 a square foot at Lowe's will get you 7 mil and like 12 mil wear layer. But that's for the people that, you know, if you want to be at Lowe's or, you know, stuck at shopping at Lowe's, or Lowe's is your favorite place to go, then that will be your favorite place to go. But if you get this stuff wholesale, it's definitely cheaper. All right, so look at this color. Now, you do get a little bit thickness right here. So it is, well, not thick, but wider. All right, you get wider planks over here. I will take you to see if we get some thinner planks, but these are a little bit wider. Now, for 5 mil, they have 5 mil at Home Depot. This is $1.69. It's on clearance, you guys. All right. You can check that out. This place has a whole lot. Let's check the other side. All right, I went to the other side. And I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. Just showing y'all. I like this color right here. 30 mil wear layer and 12 mil thickness. That's insane. That is insane. Look at that. If you put this on your floor, it will be like very, very thick. I should have put that in the basement, but I just went and got it from Lowe's instead. So blah 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 blah. This look like the one that's in my basement. But mine is a little bit thicker than this one. But this look, I mean, it looks very identical. All right. So you guys, you can be in this store all day. I mean, like all day. Look at this, $2, $179, $179. Wow, $179, 7.5 mil, $2. These are the type of numbers that be at Home Depot for like $3.50 or $4. So I'm just giving you an idea of wholesale versus, I guess, a retail. I guess that will, Lowe's will be retail, and this store I'm in is wholesale. Now, I did buy a few things from this store before. That's how come I know about it. But you can find wholesale flooring stores all over the place. The only thing with wholesale flooring stores is sometimes it's limited on stock. Ooh, this is nice. I like that. All right. I'm looking for something for the hall bath, you guys. And I will be in here forever, but I'm just showing y'all the prices. Trying to see if I could find something that's appealing to me. All All right, so it's getting thin. It's getting thin. 5 mil, 5 mil. I think I'm looking in between 7. I still might go to a Lowe's, you guys. I'm a Lowe's and Home Depot guy still. But I'm going to wrap this up. But as you can tell, like, we have like 7 more aisles to go. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. This is nice. Now, how thick is this? Okay, I think one piece come like, there's like 2 pieces, but it's 1 piece. Very interesting. 20 mil wear layer, 5 mil thickness. So let's check it out. So y'all can see the difference, right? Still thick though. Not like thick, but it's not bendable either. Some stuff you get is like very bendable a word? Bends easily, put it that way. And they also got kitchen cabinets, countertops. All right, so I did get one of my the bar downstairs in my basement. I did get the cabinet from here, and it's right here. This is the one, Hanover. So these are the ones that's in my basement, and they are very good. So yeah. All right. They also have a little tub right here. Now my tub is different. I got my tub from Home Depot, but this is a nice tub, very narrow. Mine's more wide. $500. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. They also have some towel in here too, you guys. So I forgot to show y'all this. All right, so this looks pretty nice. For $6, $8.55, $3.25. I don't think there's no really big discount when it comes to this. For the most part, I think this is probably the same prices anywhere you go. You might be able to find something cheap like the ones we just found right there, but for the most part, most of this stuff is basically the same price, like $10. $10 a sheet and up. That's how it usually is. And here we have tile, polished tile. We got other tile right here. More tile, you guys. All right, you guys. So we basically left there, and I want to say that if you need to go wholesale, a little bit cheaper, then this will be a good place to go. If you're just comfortable with going with regular retail Lowe's, that might be the spot for you. So that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.